Hi, it's Dolls, Toys, and Games Gal. Today I'm going to unbox two Monster High Frankie Stein playsets. This first one is the Monster High Frankie Stein and Computer Lab playset. And the reason I bought it is that I think it looks like a really nice desk for her room. So I'm going to put it there. Speaking of her room, do you remember me creating this Frankie Stein doll room about a year ago? Well, I had put some things from the Create a Monster playset in the room to look like she had a science lab in her room, but I'd much rather put in a desk. So here goes. Let's remove. Bye-bye. Let's take a look at this Frankie Stein playset. So we have this shelf piece, we have a chair, and we have a Frankie Stein doll. She's cute, but her arms don't articulate, only her legs do. I suppose they made her legs articulate because she does need to sit down in her chair. Cute dress, that's your typical Frankie Stein preppy chic look, and I like the red shoes. Guys, is it just me, or is this Frankie Stein's head bigger seeming? Or is it just that her eyes are painted larger? I don't know. What do you guys think? Okay, well, let's put her aside and look at the real reason I bought this playset. So isn't this a cool chair? It's sort of a translucent green plastic with the Monster High logo and things dripping from the top. And look at these cool things that are supposed to look like wheels. They look like some kind of creature's paws. And here's the the computer lab. We have a disembodied hand as a bookend. And we have some books, a green book and two blue books that look like textbooks. So this is just one piece. They made it look nice and realistic. I'm gonna put that on the top shelf. This looks like it might be an open diary of some kind, or maybe lab notes. It doesn't shut though, like I thought it might. Here we have a Monster High skullette with a bow on it. Also, when you turn it upside down, there's this bizarre triangular hole underneath, which I don't know what that is for. But anyway, here's her computer with the old Monster High logo on it. Here is a desk lamp. Green, looks like it's dripping some things as well. It's a literal mouse for her computer mouse. That's so cute. And we have a very plain sort of black shelf. And then this purple piece here bends down and also comes back up. Okay, let's see if it fits. It does, it's perfect. So Frankie has a new desk. Yay! As for Frankie's wardrobe, you can see it's looking kind of sparse. In fact, there's one piece in there that I actually stole off a Lala Loopsy doll, this one. And I'm going to give it back to her because I'm also going to unbox today the Lots of Looks Frankie Stein set here. Turning the box over, it tells us that we can make over 20 combinations with the items in this clothing set. All right, Frankie, don't you worry. Your wardrobe is getting a boost right now. I've opened up the box and we've got another Frankie doll. And here we have this strapless tube dress with a lightning pattern. Cute. Next, we have this set of blue and yellow tights. These are very Frankie. We have a very preppy looking gray, blue, and yellow vest. We have a cute handbag with some stitching details on the handle. We have some silvery platform athletic shoes. And we have this pair of shorts with the Frankie lightning detail and argyle pattern. We have the Frankie doll with a interesting outfit. I think it's two different pieces. Looks like a blouse, a belt, and a bubble skirt, all done in her signature pattern, and some black shoes. Now, as you can see, her arms don't bend, nor do her knees. So we've gone ahead and filled up her wardrobe. How is Frankie gonna decide what to wear? Let's do a little make-believe. Okay, I'm up. Time to figure out what we're wearing to school today. Nice that I have so many choices. The good thing about being a science-savvy animated monster is that I can create more of me. So I did. That makes trying on clothes so much easier. All right, Frankie 1, Frankie 2, and Frankie 3, put on your fashion show and let's see what we're wearing to school today. Frankie 1. Okay, that vest combo with the bubble skirt is nice, but the vest is hanging out funny. Need something. Get back in line. How about you, Frankie 2? What look are you rocking? Ooh, I like the possibilities here, but the blouse to the tights? That's a lot of blue. I do like the red shoes, though. Frankie 3, you're looking stylish in your tube dress. The black shoes make it too matchy-matchy. Decisions. What to wear? Ooh, I've got it. Frankie 2, take Frankie 3's dress and her clutch and keep your red shoes on. And the final look is, ta-da! Do you guys like it? All right, Frankie 2, bye-bye. Take good notes for me today. Bye-bye. I'm going back to bed. Every monster needs the right amount of beauty rest. Good night. I just love seeing Frankie with a packed wardrobe. Okay, last thing, shout out to them Beth. Thanks for watching, guys.